the Baton Gamer, and today we have a special video for you. And yes, I do have a plushie, but my friend's using it right now. Actually, I do have it on me. So today we're gonna look at, all my stuff, and also a few things about my friends. So say hi, XD. So, he's a little bit excited right now.
Yes, I am.
So let's go ahead and trade XD.
Here you go, here's my normal soul flake, and you can have nothing else.
Oh my gosh, she hatched it. Hallelujah. Oh my gosh, guys, that's the rare secret in all of the game.
No one else will get it.
No one else in the world has it. Everybody, let's say, he gave it to us, right? No, I'm kidding.
But this was just garbage in comparison. It's like a knockoff of the soul flake. See?
Yeah, let's look at this soul flake. Ooh, nice. Let's just not give it that. Okay.
Look at this knockoff. Look how garbage it is.
Oh, why did that not
Can
exist?
you see the knockoff?
What? Oh wow, that knockoff though. I have a knockoff.
Look at this knockoff.
Oh my gosh, guys! He hatched the Mythic Soul Flake. Congrats to Will. Or XD. He hatched it, I was a little mad. That's why I didn't post immediately.
She said she was gonna quit.
Oh yeah. That's on it. I was just upset, But
I'll let you borrow
But
it.
guys, do you know what's even weirder? Last night, I was setting up on an auto clicker, and then somehow I left the game, joined back, and it ended up on an egg. I don't know what is happening right now, but there's some voodoo magic in the air, man. So, let's go ahead and try out the Mythic and not give it back to him. Oh, wait, I didn't say that.
Yes, you did. I heard everything.
So, guys, look at this. Let's see. I blow 3.1.
How much do you have on your
Oh, wait, let me get my best bubble team out. One sec.
Excluding the 2 pence.
Okay, let me get my best bubble team.
No, don't equip the soul flake and the mythic soul flake first. I want to see how many bubbles you get.
Okay, Ginger. So, gotta find my best team. Okay, we're 11. Let's see how much we blow. We blow 1.5. And then let's go to the Mythics.
Now we're going to look at Fred, we're going to look at Jerry, we're going to look at all the other pets.
Okay.
So
guys, leave in the comment down below how you value the Mythic Soul Flake, because XD really wants to know. And if anybody will have a shiny Mythic you want to trade for this, let them know.
Yeah, like a shiny of King Slime.
We blow 2 million with this. So, let's just look, before we give it back to him, let's just look at the Mythic Soul Flake itself. Oops.
Name is Mary. Hey!
So, look at how pretty it looks.
Looks like your mom.
Oh, then my mom is pretty then. Look at the wings, are so pretty. Excuse me, it's absolutely incredible. So let's go ahead and give it back to William.
This one's mom.
Okay, there we go.
I can give you Jonathan's cookie.
Whoa, someone just hatched a Mythic Guardian cookie, nice.
There's Jonathan's cousin. Oh, I saw someone when I was bubbling hatch the one pet that no one can ever get. A Morning Star.
Dang, y'all, Morning Star. If any of y'all have a Mythic Morning Star,
Wait.
What do you mean? I totally gave it back to you. What do you mean?
Give me.
I don't have it equipped.
Yeah, what's that giant
That's a snowflake.
How did you get? What are you equipping Russo plays? Speaking of which, put down if you completed the RV balance event.
Yeah, leave down in the comments who completed that. Me and William X.
We did terrible.
So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Give me back.
Guys, should we give it back to him?
His cousin. Give me the pet or die.
Only if you give me the mythic.
Okay, fine, but you have to give me the normal first.
No scammer! No scamming!
You're the one who scammed me.
Oh, this is so joyful.
The pet, I'll die without it. That's like my most valuable pet.
Nah, you'll be fine without it. I need it.
No.
Who should we give it back to the next time I do a video? I'll keep it for about a week, you know. Oh, this is hilarious. Okay, fine. I'll give it back.
Hold on.
Okay. There you go.
First?
There you go. There's it.
Oh, yeah.
I changed it up. Its appearance. So.
Okay, I'll take that. I'm just kidding. Give me back my soul.
Oh no, I already read it up. Oh, that's mine. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Give me the whole thing.
Should I keep it for like a month, y'all?
No, you give me back the soul flake.
Ooh, should we give it back to him? Oh.
Yes, you should. You very, very should.
Then give me your gingerbread shard. There you go.
Thank you.
No.
Fine, here.
Oh, nice. I'll take that. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, skip!
Just give me the plant.
Gingerbread. Fine. I'll keep this till 1 a.m. Are you going to wake me up at 1 in the morning?
Yes, I will. No, I'll wake you up at 7 in the morning. Yes, 1 in the morning. Just give me the pet. Probably dislike the video.
No, you give me gingerbread shard because apparently you're all good on pie. Or at least give me the shiny mythic.
Okay, fine, here.
No. The shiny mythic cartoon hexarium level 25 max 50.
Okay, fine, here.
No, the shiny. No, the shiny mythic one. The shiny mythic. Y'all, is he stupid?
Wasn't that my pet?
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please,
No, she's an ugly fast.
please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see y'all later.
It's an ugly fast.
Bye.